You spend 3 grueling hours perfecting your resume. You finally hit apply. And then, silence. Just absolutely nothing. That silence usually comes from an invisible gatekeeper called an applicant tracking system, or ATS for short. Think of it as a digital bouncer for the company's hiring manager. Instead of a person reading your experience, this software scans your document looking for specific keywords that match the job description perfectly. If your resume doesn't have those exact phrases, the software automatically tosses your application out before a human ever gets to see it. Because these systems are so strict, sending the exact same standard resume to dozens of different companies is a strategy that practically guarantees you will get filtered out. But imagine if you had a co-pilot, a system that already knows exactly how to navigate those invisible rules. Well, that is exactly what JobXLR8 does. It is an AI-powered platform designed to handle the heavy lifting of the entire application process from start to finish. Instead of you guessing which keywords a company wants, the AI takes over the tedious work of formatting and matching, letting you focus on actually preparing for the interview. It starts simply. You give the platform your basic details, the skills you already have, and where you want your career to go. The AI processes these details to build a complete picture of who you are, identifying connections in your background that standard databases miss. Then it turns on its radar. The system actively scans the open job market for you, running quietly in the background. This panel shows the result of that scan. The AI curates a short list of roles, like a data scientist or ML engineer, where your existing skills line up neatly with what the employer is asking for. When you see a 95% match score, it means the math is already on your side. You are highly qualified for this position before you even click apply. So you find a role on your shortlist that looks great, and you decide to go for it. This is where the system really goes to work. In an instant, the AI generates a brand new custom version of your resume, built specifically for that single job posting. Look at the original resume on the left and the new one on the right. The standard layout transforms into a dense, highly targeted document. The system weaves the exact skills the employer's software needs, achieving an excellent ATS match of 92%. This level of precision means your document speaks the exact language the system is looking for. It clears the path through the robotic filters and puts your experience directly in front of a human recruiter. There is a huge sense of relief when you hit send, knowing your resume is perfectly optimized for the gatekeeper. And you don't have to keep a messy spreadsheet to remember where you applied. This application tracker panel keeps all your custom applications organized in one clean dashboard. You can follow your exact progress in real time. Watch as you move from applied to shortlisted to the interview and finally to the offer. What used to take hours of stressful manual rewriting now takes literally seconds. More importantly, your visibility goes way up because you are no longer getting caught in those automated rejection bins. When you combine those massive time savings with a clear path past the filters, the math works out to one simple result. You get more interviews. Sending the exact same generic document into the void and hoping for the best is an outdated way to find work. You can fix this today. Head over to JobXLR8 and take a few minutes to build your baseline profile. Let the AI handle the heavy lifting and start tailoring a direct, clear path to your next great job.